Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore the beautiful beach south of Bali. This beach we call Melasti beach. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the beautiful this beach, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today on November 2021 I will make a video in a beautiful beach south of Bali. This beach we call Melasti beach. This beach location in the south of Bali is around 1 hour driving from Kuta by car or around 40-minute driving from the airport. You see the right side, there is Banyan Tree Hotel. Actually, I'm gonna say this beach quite new because few years ago there is no road access to go to the beach because blocked by the hill, and now we cut the hill to make access to go to the beach. So we start cut the hill from this point. Okay guys, there is the ticket counter at the front, so we have to buy a ticket before go to the beach. And the cost for the ticket is around $1. Not so expensive actually. Okay guys, you see the cliff at the front, left side? It's very beautiful, isn't it? And also the weather today is very beautiful. Okay guys, before we continue driving to explore how the beautiful beach, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I want to show you how the beautiful Bali. And I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel so far because you're already watching my video and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, so this is the cliff from the Melasti beach. It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's actually a lot of work because this village must be cut the hill very high to make access to go to the beach. So it's like the new road. It's very beautiful road, isn't it? Oh, look at that swamp. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say this beach is a lot the angle to make photo and footage video because in this area that is so beautiful. So for the first I will drive around from the top until at the end to this beach. I just want to show you how to like the road this area. Actually in this area I'm gonna say like not in 100% finished. Some project still doing at the moment in this beach. But so far it looks so beautiful, isn't it? And also you can see the ocean, it's very blue, it's very beautiful. You see right side, there is the parking area. It is very big parking area, isn't it? And there is some motorbike and car parking up there. Yeah, that's not so bad. Okay guys, we continue driving in Melasti Street. And if you see at the front, there is the gate in to go to Melasti beach. It looks very beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, now we are in Melasti beach. Some people there, they make photo or video for their Instagram. Because actually in this area also, there is a lot Chinese people come to this beach to make pre-wedding photo. Because this beach is a lot the angle to make photo and video footage. You see the cliff at the front? Look very beautiful, isn't it? And on the left side there is a lot motorbike parking and also some car parking there because in the left side there is also parking area for Melasti beach, but there is not so many cars today. Okay, this is Melasti beach. Looks so beautiful, isn't it? Very white sand, blue water and blue sky. So this is the good weather for beaches. But you see, on the beach there is not so many people, isn't it? Look very quiet. I'm very sad because how come it's beautiful beach without people there? Just look very quiet. It's very bad. You see the view? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Umbrella, white sand, blue water, and blue sky. Okay guys, now we continue driving to see how the beautiful this beach from the high point. You see at the front and right side there is a local warung. It's very cheap to have the drink bintang beer here called bintang. And at the front there is a very famous beach club, because in Melasti beach we have some beach club. Okay guys, you see the cliff at the front? Yeah, it's still like new project actually, but the cliff was so beautiful. So now we keep driving up because we will see how the beautiful this beach from the top. You see the road is the new road and very small, but very steep. It looks very dangerous road, isn't it? But actually no, as long as you are a good driver as me. Sorry, just kidding, mate. Okay, now we reach the high point to see how the beautiful this beach from the top. Okay, we turn left and try to find parking. Yeah, we just parking here. You see at the front? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, there is the view from the top. Some beach club there, white sand beach, umbrella, blue ocean, blue sky, cloudy. It's like beautiful mix. And you see right side, there is the Karma Kandara right there at the corner. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful weather today. Even cloud, but it's completely beautiful. I'm really happy to be here today because so clear. Okay guys, now we continue driving back down again because I want to show you how the beautiful cliff in this beach. Usually in this area there is a lot of people make photo wedding, but today is no one here. Yeah, I was lucky because very quiet today. Yeah, that is the beach. From other side, also beautiful from this area. A new project there, not finished yet. So many projects for future. Okay guys, now we continue driving to see how the beautiful this beach from other side. Because as I told you, in this area there is a lot of photo angle and video footage. Okay, now we reach the point and I will try to find parking in this area. Yeah, also from here looks so beautiful. There is some beach club down there. Just look very beautiful, isn't it? this is like the sign of this beach. Okay, you see the cliff at the front? Looks so beautiful, so artistic. So what do you think about the beach? It's very beautiful, isn't it? This beach you have to come when you are visiting Bali. And I hope you will be visiting Bali as soon as possible, but for sure without quarantine. Okay guys, so this is the beautiful beach south of Bali. Actually we have a lot of beautiful beach south of Bali. And for sure I will explore another beach later on. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali and some beautiful place to explore. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.